Alright, so today we're calculating elasticity. Alright, so I wanted to go over a couple problems with you, and then you'll be able to do this on your own, hopefully. There's math involved, but it's really not difficult math. Um, once you get a couple of these down, it should be easy enough to go from there. So we'll do reading through. So to be able to calculate it, you're going to get the change in quantity demanded divided by the change in price. So change in quantity divided by the change in price. All right, if the number is greater than one, it's elastic. If it's less than one, it's inelastic. And then if it's equal to one, it's unitary elastic. So, if it's like 0.9, 1.1, you can kind of go into that area as well. So, and don't worry about negatives because overall we're just trying to see the change. What is that? The standard deviation. It's a good math word. I know that's like how far away it is from like zero or whatever. We're trying to figure out like how much change it is. So yesterday the price of envelopes was $3 a box, and Fred was willing to buy 10 boxes. Today the price is going up to $3.75, and Fred's now willing to buy 8 boxes. Is Fred's demand for envelopes elastic or inelastic? What's Fred's elasticity of demand? So we're going from 3 to 3.75, okay, and we're going from 10 to 8. So our quantity demanded first at $3 is 10. So that's why we got the 10 there. Then when we go from 3 to 3.75, we go to 8 boxes. So we're going to put 10 minus the 8 there. So the difference from 3 to 3.75 is 2 boxes. Okay. So we got that 2 boxes, and we're going to divide it by our first number, the 10. Okay, because we got our difference from 3 to 3.75, our change. Okay, and then we're going to take the percentage of that when we're just going to divide it by that first number. Okay, so we get 0.2. Then we're going to do the same thing with the price. We got the $3 for the first one, so that's $3. Then we changed it to 3.75. So obviously that's a 75-cent change, right? So we're going to take that 75 cents, and divide it by our 3, our original number. Okay, so it was a 0.25% difference. That should actually be percent. Okay, because these are just the percentages. Look at this one. Let's see how it works. Okay, so then we take our quantity, the change in quantity demanded, our 0.2. Okay, then we're going to divide it by our change in price. Okay, which is 0.25. So we got our 0.2 divided by our 0.25, which is equal to 0.8. 0.8 obviously is not more than 1, therefore it is inelastic. Okay. So if you were to pick unitary elastic, it's close to 1, but for our purposes, let's go inelastic on there. So you're going to do the same thing for all those. Then we're going to get down to here. It's the same kind of idea. All right. So you're going to we're changing from $1 to 150, from 10 to 3. All right. So first thing we're going to do is the quantity demanded. So let's type quantity here, and we're going from 10 to 3. All right. Everybody sees that, from 10 to 3. So the change is going to be 7. Okay. To get our percentage, we're taking our change, and then we're going to divide it by our first number. So 7 divided by 10 is equal to 0.7. Easy enough, right? Then we got our price. Okay, let's space that again. Any questions there? Good. Okay, we're going to take our dollar. Going to subtract it by $1.50. Okay, obviously our change is 0.5. Okay? So, or also known as 50 cents. Oh, that's not good. 50 cents. Alright. So we're going to take our 50 cents, divide that by $1. These are easy numbers to do, thankfully for me. And our change is 0.5, right? 0.5 divided by 1 is 0.5. Okay, so we're going to take our change in quantity. We are going to take our change in price. Okay, we divide them. And what we will get is we're doing it right now. Okay, we got our 0.7 divided by 0.5, and we will get 1.4. Okay, so 1.4 is greater than 1. Therefore, oh, can't spell. There it is. It is an elastic. It is elastic. Because, like we said at the top, if it's greater than 1, it is elastic. So, that's the idea. That's what we're going for. If you have any questions while you're going on, use this video, email me. And best of luck to you.